ebigambo nibinje bigambire ahari nye niwe bitutanise iwe byetantari wotabyesiga kuba n'emitima yabo tenabire na arina kora backup naba wasi abo baby bazane chess tubavingo mures kubati bine class shita mankutebeze story rukundo yanje neyijuza rore my love ne ya pore pore niyo message.
People, basically we have a show which is going to happen every 16 omwezi ogw'ikuminagumwe ogwa mwezi ogwa musenene
nororo
omuruchigane mugweta chi 16
ogwo musenene
ni musene
ni mutukopa
no
it is
so
how
na
it
tole
is.
bantu tikwe ntu then two
Yeah.
people speak with the
ntu
abwenchi mwe nkomba ni mujete nkombe kuturentushane
mwe murabweto busharabwe ni nyankore nkombe muratukopa
tujete nkomba People, takajere muri byinjo mu rugambo rwinji tubanze otuhighlightingire ebiri 16 okwi11 aha university in naza kuba hari hoci
come 16th November university in hakuhariyo my first concert
maiden
concert konka maiden nako ninda kunda ruga interview ninda kuzakaro na meni kagama munonga ntakamanyire meaning yakoje nyunka kanshoboza ho
nyunka kabura wa interview zimwezi wabandize bani
maiden no mugore muhango
kabarga reka tugume tubeshe
Tiporo orwo mweshongozo ri hambo kandi really kugira ngo ukiri higuru kusha umanyire some characters z'abantu barakira kuzidescribinga bararebera ha dress code nkaha hair style entambura so Tiporo iwe gito kizira kubikora kushango kaka balance katemere kagwira ifukuri ishoti no buwargine ryari organized mbwene umuntu yakureba hamisho arareba kuri hambo
ishoti ryakareba natega nawe yate
then
ninkukopa
ninkukopa ndementa wawe
na no mutima guri hambo no mutima gwa Paul guri hambo
ngananye nandya mwishende hambo
reka mbuze Tiporo basham
mbuze
itwenkitwa abantu bari kureba twisha kwerarikirira ngo bundi nguti turabona bijukuru ahubwo kuba ejo humbleness kurenga gemegorora
haza already nyine abana
tinamanya yabo urahiko kegumya
kandi nanasi yawe
haza nyine abana
ukashenga aziyusinga
wakareba
azorenda kushisha ibintu bya Paulo kandi no muntu w'amani turenda ngo
toza shoni bakuretere bindi
ba sponsor tuyi
chawiri echo kubanza konkasho yitwa fane sponsor
sponsors tutunjireho DBC tutunjireho we are still in discussions with the others konka
katwete Africas
umwizina rya brand ambassadors
Africas
Royal Estates
na Kayimargaha nubwo atari mu misho ga kamera
Kayimarwaha kabarga ruhaha nanye kabwijumbera nduhaha
turukubeta turabeshengereza
Papa Daniel arinda
tinchiraga kufukama
Kirifu arinda
mwije muhajiro mwana witu Paulo
wentweta Africas
Paulo ari hambo Tiporo turarabahereza good music nabinzi niyo mwasigurira habakazi banya bimwine uriya Kirifu akangira ngo mukazi we akamusiguza nankeje iwori tam kampuremere ho
tuza kurambura kuri nyakisharara
turukubeta mwije mushashuriro bweshongoro bwa Tiporo
tuza kushemerera munonga
ukati turukubajema mfukami
tukubajema
bo afukama bicere
ibyo tubigambo bya Paulo nebigambo byito
ubare munonga
twacheza
ubare munonga
Tiporo nanakuburize what should someone expect what is going to happen
it's going to be a live experience from Tiporo abakuma tipo from way back nkatangira mu banda
tondeza karaka
ababanda so abandi hote 12 keys bana n'ahandi ho na Kevu nka no mu kibugo ko nkani ya
so ba DJ batasubire mirime gyozo
of course Neri semi live had nayo no mixing live experience na nachi na DJ so that kariya kabe kari mu studio katakabura munonga
ngamo ine strategies ari kubararenda ije kwesimba
so live experience from T-Paul na nabanshende kizende bakwa bariho hine binja batuhire ikigambo cyabo then we shall be releasing the poster abereho abashende kize later on at a later date twice confirming their presence na production twatangiye kugikora for now to moving into the people, into Nkore Media, into Kabariga West, into Bahibona bona ngo abantu tubamanyisa a concert yetu ngo nerho ebiri 16 November
tinde cinde cyo ine wakiri nk'echamo kacenyebizaho
echama
ngakibagambira nababwinda
echo katuje cyo birutaka gambira
echime ntakagambira
ninyo kucegambira
amazima a concert yetu ntukuba tini habe shongozi binji
Aleti yarenda kubagambira iki yashireka okumurere batwagire rugogo na za basi buti wo buturi mbarara ine basi zituru kusindika mu cyaro mu byaro kureta abishimostire abamabuno abishi banyashi
kuko abashije abane bakunda ki
nyashize life kuko bakugira ngo utayize life nyashize life
so turukweta ni mwa baganda ryozoba mwo riri izoba ririya mwo kuba mutarebera bishica bine nyashi basi buriti ziragire mu byaro so turukuza kweta bibatwire bagurikire bahunikire uramanya nk'abahima baza kuza kushwegwa barabahunika babashweka mbwenu ayere
baba bari mu mashita
nabanza yabura ho
kaza ngo ari mu mashita
turukuleta bici bari abibashucerera amatagi bareta rapid grow abine yildiz
borekere
barenda kubabona barya ha university
rapid grow kanashana amajita
rapid grow nakantu karakuza speed umwana akakura shishire
nebijimusa
wararebere ikimba kiri kurugamwita gacona cya musinjiro siraberebeta kiti
konka no mubasa utakabariga
ikizibu cyanyumura interpreting ebintu kubi ndi kugamba azini
abakutore bamwe barera
yes
abakutore banu mukorecha mana bakora muri media kandi twina T-Paul akandi torona kabariga abakuturebera kimwe tubirisa abantu bamwize mutakaye bwa Honorable Demuswaga Ronald Bataringa ya is coming as LC5 counselor kandi ubwo ni CEO witu ningashi mukama witu hano yo Nkore Media so abamwizi already wari umuntu wakoze ikintu nk'ekintu mesa nakora kandi natekwa ku supporting show ya T-Paul abantu mwe n'abamwizi abaryo ko karamurani ninkahandi sumani abari karamurani abaryo ko mbyange byoko byona barwampara ebiri rwenyaga baza rwenyaga town council nayo nkoko mwayoshere amupiro guyahirize kureta nyenda mwepatire mwene 2016 kuruga mwizi kwijahane citano watahira metitwa tizezo waikamu wanonda ko kunywa kasoda karimo akabia karimo ko kunywa akashera karimo abo kukwata squeeze bajangu
kandi ati
tamutamu
ko kuna kigamba strategy yitwa akozeseze kugira ngo abisimu bafunde mu bwinji turenda kuba transportera bareta eyo kubagwarurayo tutaji baha
nonda bararo
kugira ngo bagere sasite ya transport yo kubagarurayo
then batandike kutega
kwetega
konka byeshonga T-Paul tureba concerts na mnonga abakuija bona very first ever big concert in their time of music bija wakutija konka nyowe ninza kureta yaka akenja woro abe muture mureba nyonko muhajizi wa T-Paul ningo muhajizi wa Ndongo nimbasa kuija tari kuja muture ndefani wa T-Paul konka ndefani w'Ndongo nije ndi ku expecting ace cinta karebaga
hariya ntakwaro production yakabi maybe warandebere ni performing but maybe on a flash ne kubera a prepared set ya T-Paul's best songs akwa nakweshongera ibishongoro byanje byo nantubasa kuraraho so tuza kusengeja twihemu the best mukama tuyambe tutakaye wakawe mutahi wanje ari naturebere okwe onkantu za kugizaho turebe ngo bubishongoro obu ne the best that have been received by the audience. Number 2 mutubire ni mureba beshongozi mukanyo tumukandebaga niyo tumukandebaga
namazima
kanya rukuma anyway nyoni nyemanya rekanta za kugira ngo muze kubuza na nkogu nyoni mangu what I'll do it the best way I can.
Ngeno mu rukigo gwangu uri mubi to yangu
arho bad good bad is bad good. You're bad man. You're bad man Paul Kakoba boy.
So when we expecting experience nonji ya music kelebe batanka kweba what it means question wala n'ikindi nza kubigeza kubijisiya what it means.
T-Paul turugero kacha show uko mwishongozi uri kuza gukora show kiramanyisa ngo umuhango ejo nayo ni success nande nakubuza akabuzo kace branding kiramanyisa ki twishere turareba beshongozi yateraho ceshongoro kikatamba tambaraho shanga ari kujwara masiki ushanga umweshongozi ya ari kuraba mu bantu ajure kigufira ari kwiruka munonga nko uri kuza kutegwa njura so njire ngo then nyawe njireba kenshobi nje ngo ninye ntaramanya branding ningani kweshemire kubera
branding kati banze to atandukana ka definition maybe kache branding ni it's the perception, the audience, the market position it places you in. Ngwenu bakumanya hochi who you are, your songs, your repertoire, what let's say what your motions, your face in ikwane Emmanuel, your wakutanga kweshereka. The artist out there na weni mbata kumblaminga kwa kugenda kashoze cyeshongoro kirumu nka value ya million nkazinga hitano ukamushanga naraba street injara ni mwitaka cucika muri yakigere mazimaniwe hino ko kubasa gukora ki kubutazi wacenga so nawe nono musasi wanabona nakora kiri yanga hike a level yo kwika kwevuga nawe aburi no kwe wacenga so before you reach there no jeza onkando tashishe chiruho because already watire musende ahandi nimbasa kumucenga unkakatu garuka branding. First of all, branding involves you selling your name, brand name, selling your products and services nizi abantu bine kuzicenga even if you put them out there bakatura na maybe mwe but they need to na yahurira karyawe ataka yore video kaja ugunu Paul na atkabarga no mang nani ndetwa kuri orugamba ukoko kwanotere share branding. Your voice has already gone in someone's head ko kugamba ejo nayo branding okwayo face yao has wale to hari umuntu arukumanya that is also branding and the quality of the services you're giving them abantu abo audience nebajachira nebajisima harobuzo you need to go back and re-strategize or rebranding.
Nyona nyine tekeragera ngo bundi abuti ya T-Paul yo kutambura atajure jo mask ateshwe kire kikofira yaratambura ka street reka tugire ngo nka trumpet yamureba yaba excited. Trumpet is your fan ubundi kirabasa kongeraho hamuhagize uri yasigara buza nkunga trumpeta ubwo waba excited of noha then trumpet of course arayine kushobora ngo guni T-Paul no mweshongozi nuri afuna demand yo kugira ngo kanze nko kusacinga T-Paul kaze ngo nejo nayo ni branding.
It's branding but not a smart way, a smart way of branding because ejo exposure ahiwa exposing it exposes you to a lot of loopholes. Omuriezo nko kunagambira kare no kuburi aho wojwire nke kisandaka ningo shire nka shoti ningo warwa nko muko chine bohonzi. You understand? And yet this person has a perception that this man is smart. This man. Kwa kuba nakore novuga wagoni kiri inabe nivuga mfara we. Nana manyanga na hariyo mu live. Apola kamarayo. Wachiche and yet some of these artists and most of us are still working for that.
Yeah.
Turiyo tugezaho kushikokwe. So kana buti ndakore cyo kisuro kandi ba akagari tinda yehinduro wa kadede kandi ndi competing under the same people but then feeding information bo barichi bakahezayo. You understand?
Yeah.
Ekinyo ni nkereza kine kuba ni when you making a feel proud na wabugano bang harmonize bang ndiamo kamujya ngaza nitumuka twinayo guide bamweta T-Paul banzo murebe waka yeye. You understand?
Then ekindi T-Paul omweshongozi kuza kuba successful ningashi tuchete nko kutera hit aine kuba linkai azin harabeshongoza bitwinde balinka kamwenge babesinjiri ni Fort Potro alhaba kabare
kasimuka
omweshongozi position
jendero mu silence
aine kuba linkai kuza kureba ngo yayatuka ija mu abantu bamumanya yaba successful aine kuba yemerire nkai honyine mu town ninga urabasa kuchikorero ko mu district yawe yorimo
to clear the air first kuko wagamba hit song taine formula
hit song taine formula
mshao
hata baba mwetu abura
taine formula abo kuba ba producer abo bamanye kingamba ninga beshongozi ne beshonge byo kugenda kakoro mu studio uri kuchimanya na bita kiza kushoborosha ngo ine views ngenkumi 2 ninga bitanu zabacari bawe nabangaye
speed kibura
abarareba
then kishongoro icyota hirina na attention kinena nanka elo budget video ninga nabaketa kibo bwa promo videos oshange cyatambura cyakura abantu bachi receiving. What makes a hit song is the reception of the audience. Mugeshongoro bya hit bine production
yeshongoro byawe T-Paul urenda kutubiha ngo ino cyo ina cyakuhirimireho okekanga ngo eje yaba hit ntakigenderi
ate beshongoro byanje
katambura ntachimanyiri
ebeshongoro byanje byona nyoni nza kushora mu studio ndi kumangu nakora a good song. Jume nko kuna nagambe hit mutonzi wafe yakora chi yasarao ate mutonzi wafe yakorera mu mitwe y'abantu mu mitima y'abantu. No, if you're a spiritual person you understand what I'm saying. So fevejo ni kira kuretwa the spiritual realm. It's not your efforts zao. Your effort nebasa kuba minimal. Nko kuna nakushoborira teenage cyo kumakiri hit
T-Paul mutonzi tarasharaho kugira ngo abantu bona batahwe mu mutwe nkudi
konka no mutonzi yakusharaho niwe noshazire
mutonzi arabikunze
noshazire muniwo mutonzi
yeno maye beshongoro mshijogwe byayine rero pazo
mutonzi no yashazire mu ngo abante mitwe yawe yona n'abakristayo batawe mwe nkudi
ninga nogirango nindo
kandi bindi biriho
omutanzania sasa okumusuba hekintu konka my point here when imanyangu mwagicyenga ine number 2 nko kunagambira nigagari amani gabantu abo kuba aronke cheshongoro hit songs nkezi mwezi nkumanyo mu Western Uganda
you're mentioning the
nareba nataka ku
yanje
nakumeshoninga ni kubana
kari turuge ukati Paulo like an artist oba numweshongozo bane musobanoha first of all netubantu seringa face orgo mweshongozi iraka the work you do and your face abo ko hata cheshongoro cyakukiza na man, it's a very big problem. The brand name needs to be stronger than any of your songs. Ate jishaho shange tukweta tamtam
you
instead of T-Paul
ninga nkakomando
ninga
nyamunyonyi abo batanje kunyita semunyonyi guys
semunyonyi
T-Paul ikindi kibuza kinanyine audience yitwe na mu Western Uganda inemu competition yo kurankinga kushanga bute abaragera ngo Rage ni number 1 T-Paul ni number 2 Omega 256 ni number 3 kandi twinemo abandi beshongoza abandi
bari mu binji
twinemo ba Trucy twinemo
ba Heli Baby ba Mountain Boy ba Good Hope ba Factory ba G-Boy ba B-Bounce bana nkugu ba Katala and Wine abishiki nabo bariyo ba Irema ba Hibona abo
ati unlike Central uhora shanga ngo twine abantu bona mu kiteke barimo barabareba as big people abo kuba waza mu freestyle barari kugira ngo Pepe Busi ni muhango Big Fameka ni muhango wacenga tushube tugire line eri munka ba Kenzo Chameleone King Saha then shanga twine abantu bari big bingi
compare two sides of this thing side A Heart Music Age in most cases was a kuchondoza what made those the big three abo ba Kamili ba Kampala the Kampala big three abo it was the competition of comparison ono yasinga oriya muhanekereje ati agenze ajanga oriya na wanchenga so some of these fans ne bakaba kukunda ebanka cult timanye carrot
mana nayichirize carrot
CULT cult ni link dininga ko muntu aro kukunda link like na wamjangu bakushariho kacha for you
aho muntu nko muntu kukunda akayikana kwetera tatu yawe amubiri gwe ari fan
so manya banzo rindeho kache
no mushumi
rindeho kache so hatiya abantu abo ecyatumira abantu abo bakoraga amazina no kunushanga bahagizi bari aggressive nganke gari yo yabugana no batakwendereraho na kimwe cyabakora the bad side of that hakahari mu too much violence abantu kwita ushanga umuntu umuguno mukazi ushanga bakweyanga munyinko umuntu uri ari wana nkogwa ari wogo mwanga kintu kejo hasa ushanga chaya hukana the main goal was to make good music kandi icyo nicyo cyatumire na music ya Uganda yaba stagnant mukache tukahiko music eje yo kushemeza the what the cult
jakamuhe ekibarakoze se kutera bari
exactly so twaika to have stagnant somewhere that's why you see Tanzania Rwanda Kenya bono reba kirino bakora music elchi eyo kujangu ya no baso butagira no baso kujangu bari no beshongo so rujungu but it's music that you can listen to so the other side music tintaro music should gather us ebyo bya comparison ngo good number 1 no good number 2 uri hare sireki it's good for talkability and comparison but he never fans abama bakubura yo akashanga we ngunyo nyunju wana ngo yataryo nothing
tia nachera kajanti nyoti najera tipora ende no kuntemba
na yakubugana obuno
musira kubi oja na stage yechwachwano guruko kachotereka mukungu na za sam
aguma na bireba
this person here so kandobwe ejo nana jikosa an irrational mind ejo netar mind ejo mind ejo tekazisha no kujanga anosha pola ine cheshongoro chirunji bit Paul kanosha nanka na yeshongora hata bafani zaba bacine ejo hate ejo kandi nubo bakutume kintu cyaza muki cyaza menjura
T-Paul ombyeshongoro byawe byona
yes
cheshongoro chechora jira stage ukareba audience alright T-Paul na ninkubuza nibyeshongoro kiko kuza stage robwe ko shongora hino audience rikuru yakitinga cheshongoro chechora jira stage ka performinga kandi gukagura umwanya ati uza stage audience ka going crazy ukahura niwe waenda nko kushedinga tears of joy let me use that statement.
I understand.
Okurya shoera hi kandi ncheshongoro checho.
Ati there are many songs. Kanchi kushobora iwe ati ari manager wabeshongozi no basa kuchenga. Region yiteje impango munonga. Kandi buri region ino kwe kwakira ibyeshongore bitu producing.
Yeah.
No basa kuzatunga amashange bone bakunda hweza.
Yeah.
Ozero kunzeri oshange kandi bone bakunda marayika. Urugeyo ziza kuri ya rubirizo ko umuntu ushange ne bakunda story. It'll like depending on how they mainstream this events, how they receive
information. So shange barakunda kiri cyamara wabo.
Yes. So I have aviation mbo ntinka kujange echi nechi but nkanywa bazi aba kabare mazima ba kabare university. Thank you for the love.
Kabare
bakunze lechi
Yesu kanjere mbabaza abacurura niba
baba abo baturaga mu garo hanga
wanunda kusabura
jangu mu moyo kandi ati
bakoromba
singwa ku
konka mwene mukama kusasireka.
So yesterday the reception in Kabare was good.
It was good. The Beshongwele Echimoli Rose. I didn't actually tinye Shongwele. Kutanshire bati ya DJ obebyo mabirire ba bo bagumiza mbache shonga bacheza we. Birinka kwaya. It's really nice.
Tipo rabeshongoza barakira kunda abagabira abantu. Babeshongorere cyeshongoro cyabo babagabire ibintu. Nyine cyeshongoro jya bindamanya lyrics zona enkito yote naza kugisigaza.
Natahanda.
Ndone mu kimwe cyeshongoro enkito ngisigaza.
By the way, related to that.
Aro chugumeresha. Ndone biciriye cyane. Biriye byabandize kota
Zebo nachitero lyrics 10.
Ngone kumpa otari utakuje basi.
Related to that, etiya nagambo kushanga. Shanga beshongozo waza stage okeshongora. Ningo fana kakwiyaho kintu. Aro kintu cyaho coragabire fana kikakushasha.
Nemironde minzi.
Kikakushasha.
Akwati hine fana bwakuba so kakao tukari kana hine ko kuri umuntu yaba yakunda kandi yarenga like that person is genuinely doing that. Konkana asano kora nasano quit. I don't know if you understand like mutari kuba so hati ni muntu nagenda kushaba nk'ikintu nk'echo
coragabire cyakushasha.
Tiranshashira abo kubeki yabe nakora all through by the time nakuhereza nimba nakurebere all the way ndukureba yes this is a fun like from the start omure na ishongora word by word tere chaka biroreba na encouraging abandi that one definitely nawe hamesa atakajimu ataka unajang yanka nkagenda neza
my artist
not just wa tuburiyo mo wakujanga mpamba afana no ba selective.
Of course tina nakubuza ntine fanora kurashinje of course they do echo chiri obvious konka have you ever crashed on your fan ngayo samo yokwe okukora nkokwe za rubirizi ninga ntunga mukangame ntunga muniyo harunje Otazimbo mutembu
Western Uganda yona mazima
okahantuza
abana babonire
bazaho bakurashinga
just no kusimera tumankashi
urugere Kabare
Oriya wo
ashongejo Kabare
ogwabe nakusinkira ubusheni
abishi bitu bakabare tarara wabashembe
ubwo no wantunga muniyo nashomerayo
Kabare weza mubonire muhurire mugumire abishi bakabare babonire Tiporo tuwamura ko yayisha gasheshe
Tunesho ya Tiporo 2016 kandi tunesho ya Tiporo 2016 okwezo kwa musene no ku 11 kandi wari umugisho gukora musyo afande Anthony CEO wa Karezi Investments ari ya Rwampara akora Rwampara short konkanye nda kwijusi CEO okora Rwampara short ni nkushaba tebo uri munywani wanje tinyine murimo gwa gukorera konka ni nkwiciririzamo kandi ne company ya mani afande Anthony twakushaba at least gura tebo yakakadi
katushabe naba araba mpa habijira hati
na manager we Kambanze mba marire manager Danison Ariona Erinda nawe ndikora nawe no mu Africa konka staff yona ya Rwampara show tubaramusi ntubashaba table ya tipo live in concert
please
twete aba GTC kago nibasiya kamuno kabina man means
atejo shaburi uturara musintu tumushaba support
GTC kago abampa bariye ibintu kuruga heru mumanga ka Dubai China na nagandi aba GTC turukubeta show na University ini ni hari mwije mahajiro mwana with T-Polo ni brand ya mani yitwa ne mu Western Uganda really wijaniwe oka representing kandi okijana na company yawe cine kirongeraho ha brand so turabashaba mwije muhajire umwana with T-Polo izobe GTC
packages za ba sponsor ninja ninza kusharinga ka message konka starting with 5 million and above harimo packages zikwijiraho with detail kanshambye mu buco burumu flyers ezigumiza mu kushohora bana baza flyer hariya then oburango buno burabe no buza kushohora later on TVs and radios twiza tanka the aggressive marketing ne babarimo as the what as the sponsors then
na wagaruka hano no bagamba kuba hatukuruka
hacero hakiri
wora yendere no agent
so mbone bwa packages ka packaging ka hango mazuna and it's for us to benefit, you benefit and we benefit as well.
Paulo Nochimanya, since I came to Mbara, I've been involved in these things, the events, entertainment at large. So I've been seeing reception. Njere yabana na mnonga bariyo mbintu bya influencing marketing, ba stakeholders kanga, ba events na entertainers. Njere babene ba receiving amu events ezikwisha. To be open event yawe people live in concert among the many events ezitwineho ezirimuni zikubaho nemwe yubakirire eyinkoreba bakirire with one love one love. I don't think ngu beazino okutachi ntichawe hine nechiwamuhire azina mani
wabinamuhire na kabarga
nabandi bona nibindi
Kole Media TV
nothing kole twara
so kandi echo kiriroya kiriskas
uguyagaruka michuzo cyawe utakanancho takachimaze nakora kubi
kiriroya akuba to be open nani mbaraje ni event ya Kacece yabana bakozere basyo event ya Roigi bakozere basyo ya Kampala neje yakozera University in event ndijo imbe ni ndeba yayibajezo Kacene ya Roigi ryo kurukunjira kugira ngo bajakire ekiguturo cyabo kugira ngo bamwe bakaba batayo on one love. So how do you feel kushanga ngo ryomwe omubene events ceremony zikuba konka abana barimo bajipushinga willingly and they are positive and niwe ndyaha nchigamba this will be one of the biggest successful shows that we shall have this year. Hano yo muri Mbara
amin marketing echa Paulo chikawakari
amina
tekabara kuba. How do you feel and what could be your say ekokubasa kuchigamba?
My say is just maybe a simple advice to the people who are coming before us, like after us, abaratije enyuma. Discipline bataba torabajigamba kwa discipline ekintu kyamani. Number 2 omugana na jangu Jova toyombye
jotero kuda yakonanye nanika yo muganda ndesema ko
niwe to yakorukiga
akorukiga barajangu akiba katayaya niko kaba nyamugarura
kuwaje buzabuze buzabuze
gomeza muka shobora reje musumba
kiramanyisa manya butiya waba uri kutayaya ukagenda na akibo
yes nakuninga nakavera nkako
next time ubundo umuntu arakwijanira ekitukuru rakimanya ekitebo
kakajega chango
bachetegereza irashwana na ya engarezi ha nizo zakira
akutonaje mutonaje
akutonaje mutonaje na NF mobile dawe tumuntu enda kuzaho nturana nakugira ngo tukwate shayi
nanjye na discipline. Number 2 no kwishukange, when you need people you need to humble yourself ukabashyiriraho personally abo kuba most of us echamana munonga manya tokashashura kabarga ngo amarebizo biye ninga tokashashura byaziri amarebizo biye, but in most cases respected yo kumherezo kamuronda ukamushaba kamujang please ninkwetenga chinte kineki nimba sobutana nko kunabigamba
bayizaho mugashongozi Paulo niwe yabanze kuntera hesimu
abandi nakusindisha message ari kuja ati bitunye byanje ko utakubipositive uganari
aranakuhayira no kuhayira ngo nkurindire mu kona
zigure messages zare
sasure
umuntu orebana ati nareba na postinga ati wakaya Paulo orayazo status commentinga bitunye yanje ko utakujisharinga so that one is also
not constant communication. Nibasoba utagamba n'umuntu buri zoba bato muhavugana n'umutandikira he mwakoze iki ayi mwahenderire, so no kugira imico kare
yonko umuntu aroce shongoro canje cinkunda cyawe cha story abangutebeze story
kasanga ukada
Elia hati ngaza kura na hora story ndiro ninjira kuba ninyeshongora mbigita ndandika kiri ntamebe tebere
sitama kutebeze story
ati shangaza mtebere kanyo ndi kwenda mayira pore
Elia kandi yine vibe ya
nisas
tebere ine vibe ya oldies then Elia ni ya baba actually namanya nabo tutine kubahereza music nabo batakagira nkandi
adi yokadia yokora kantako kate by the way banzo tushongorere kari, we are not asking for a better, but we want to get
namureba na akawe ndaka ebigambo nibinje bigambire aharinye niwe bitutanise iwe byetantari wotabyesiga kuba n'emitima yabo tenabire na arina kora backup
no
naba wasi abo baby bazane chess
tubavingo mures
kubati bine class shitama kutebeze story rukundo yanje neyijuza rore my love ne ya pore niyo message
arabaza kuteka teka mutenda manyecheshongo
tena
I'm almost to the best
mbwenu ninka old
mamwe amutaranyume kwatarimo wa vocals
naho ni
ogumo mukwate
nandi urabaza kuteka teka nantara manyecheshongo
kukanika
vocals.
Hey, all right, that is the song, and this one is Tebiri.
Namureba na kwatwa kasikonda
akunda kama
mumpo twizi ntafero mukafonda mpurire ngo nakatembo owanyu tuba kutwara yo kakondo
kugira ngo
muhara wa matiya kandumbe
tine na fia
ashwara za shari mbona kwa wao
za Maria
ndaka Maria
hey yari ninjana nibye
signinga
ni cyecho cyenyine watetegereza nanajeta
ine mu mutima go kuyamba upcoming zokatsigninga
iyo ushize nakubaza tumusigninga
weza iyo bwaza yo byamuremerera nawe kenyine so ekikuru munonga nakugira ngo ekituruho muramwa nubwo biri 16 ya November kandi university in niho tukuza kuba turi twirero kwendera ngenda tugamba teshongoro cyanyamunyo nico latest kiri mu kitambura nyamunyonyi abamwe batandika kwata se munyonyi teshongoro kiremu yakutonaje umutonaje nebweje.
That's when it is well
obwe n'obuntu bumkunda yakutonaje
umutonaje njo nandi kugamba bingi riri kale machuwa kutari kugamba utuntu twaburijo ngo ndakukunda ndakuferaho bitwireho
inaro n'ubuntu
bwakwizera kara kuwabukira kungamba ruti atakurege tumugive
atakore gitomu give ejo nefumu nayo ninyenje initiatingire
so share muka abstomiko
atakore gitomu ante yakutonaje mutonaje
atakwagaloko
ubu yakigambira asigaye atwari bwabo untoro bamanya bwamahe manyire twine kuhangara usiyende kwa
kare hatugaruka shongoro garuka shongoro nenda kushisha paura abantu batobera kugira ngo mweshongozi ya twamutomera
mbweni
so eche shongoro echo akuba ati kurugenyu manyo ni manya ko uranaga been here ni mangu twine audience ketora ne demanding korabo tipo rage finally who brought the idea, you or him?
Alpha Music Entertainment. That Alpha is Music. Us. Yeah. No, the management here too. It friends. Na
awesome.
Yeah. Na awesome. Rage personal actually.
Yeah.
Rage in way awesome, right? So they are friends. And I want to sing most of these past hit songs as I in forever.
Yeah. Whatever.
So they have that bond as brothers from way back. So I believe it was a very easy. If you're serious, no, the consistency is key. Some time back, because a story nashi performing with the band, 12 Kids band. I usually performing
star.
Then young baby. Ati ninkura nganje kumwakura of course ndobotaka
bajiri kwa kasi ni wajiri kora
ati wakati njuhura ati konkeshin kushaba ba consistent ebugabanyo nabasa kwa yabyebire
sati byijuke ati muhirwe Regan kwanti kwirusa ngo bigambe byo tukabikwata
nasoma it cut deep nkagumane kuna atayire na kiteka tekao narebana nebeze bebe kuchira ku facing abana benji is no ijo tungeke shongoro waba street batanka ko mwana wa feji bici then utanka kandi iwe
so ate Rage
producer ndikubaho shaha zanje ziri munzi
Rage gute ari kuzaga kubaga mentor kuba legend umushaho mukuru wo muhabuzi
nabo ko kugenda nokora nabo no ine kuba no yendera
Rage wakora
Bishawe nekani bebe kuraza
Paulo byeshongoro byawe nibiretera abantu binji bakundana abantu binji bakundana nituturu mutshora nabo habuze ikibwoyinire abana batunka bakabarika twendere then
byeshongoro byawe birakira kutuhabisa kutkozesa inshobi
konkaneta
inshobi neriye yo muntu nkiwe abo kuba at some moment those words meant something. You maybe something happened, maybe bakakwenda iwe kino mutima ko
guremo no buguri kurere
no bakamuhenda bigere nico byaberire bigufu no gucora kurebera ni mugufu bakamuhenda ko ansoma
Paulo haza yataka kirebire kugeza ko kumumanye
nyendo okohora abakutureba obeta event biri 10 na mukaga.
Yes, stakeholders ba fan bitu ba sponsors, ba bloggers, ba influencers, ba radio presenters, MCs, DJs, comedians, mwena nimbashaba nimbijusia ngebiri 16 ninkubanyine my first maiden concert kandi nimbeta on board ngechi tware ngechira yonzera hiki hartwena abakuba the more success stories we have, the more value as a region we shall have. Can't this is the time when the world is watching. Tine kucheza munonga tukakosa opportunity to call against actually there's something good going on here. Uganda at large musically ekeji ni stagnancy eri ina nagambira konka you can sing on Western Uganda bana bareno bageza gukora ki kugaruza music ayishime kuba that is obunuzi bwayo obunuzi mukoko so batuongerezemu batuhereza amani tuongeremu kandi tuza kuba cyo kureberaho cyamana hihanga ryone
tikurengaho ayizobege biri 16 niyo tinkwija kuza backstage nyenda nyije no mwicu wanje
kunda tereke Rose wale yaza kureba murebi university
nyenda wajira ngo gunitamutamu njere ngo
ashikari ja stage
aho takutemba
umufurenzi
takutemba
mwe bare munonga bareba nkore media
ninga no
teko basi
azareka kunyera
no gukora
waenda urumuno mutera manda indirect
bareba nkore media mwe bare kureba turongera kubashaba kusubscribinga kandi mugume muri mata namujya kukapesha ka like
subscribe and like and share and comment
mwe bare munonga
signing out.